Hello everyone, welcome back to Beauty Studio 77. In today's video, we are taking clothing organization to a whole new level. If you want your wardrobe to look neat, stylish and professionally arranged, you are in the right place. Today I'll be showing you 20 powerful holding, stylish and organizing ideas that can completely transform the look of your closet. And trust me, once you try these methods, your wardrobe will look like a premium boutique, clean, aesthetic and beautifully arranged. This video is not a step-by-step folding tutorial. Instead, I'll show you which folding style work best for different types of clothes, how each method improves space, and how you can make your wardrobe visually balanced and modern. If you are enjoying the video so far, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Tell me which clothing item you want a dedicated video on next. I'm also sharing some smart space saving ideas that work amazingly well for small cupboards, small rooms and minimalistic living. These techniques help you maximize space without compromising style. Finally, presentation matters. At the end of this video, you will see how simple organizing techniques can make your wardrobe look clean, premium and Instagram ready. So that's it for today's video. 20 elegant and effective clothing organization ideas. I hope this helps you transform your closet into a neat, stylish and beautifully arranged space. Thanks for watching and I will see you